Welcome to Super Deals Alert. I'm sharing 10 wet-dry vacuum with blower deals with you today, offering discounts of up to 30%. Before we dive in, I'd really appreciate it if you could show your support for this channel by hitting that like button and subscribing. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you amazing content like this. Now, let's get started and explore these deals. Number 1. Craftsman 2.5 gallons 2 HP corded wet/dry shop vacuum with accessories included. Now on sale for $34.98. Number 2. Vacmaster 2.5 gallon shop vacuum cleaner 2 peak HP power suction lightweight 3-in-1 wet-dry vacuum with blower and wall mount design for cleaning car, boat, pet hair, hard floor. Now on sale for $43.10. Number 3. Shop-Vac 6 gallon 3.5 HP corded wet/dry shop vacuum with accessories included. Now on sale for $59.98. Number 4. Stanley 5 gallon wet/dry vacuum metal. The heavy-duty motor was built to provide you with maximum suction or blowing capabilities. Now on sale for $59.99. Number 5. Stanley 6 gallon wet/dry vacuum, black. This powerful motor allows for maximum suction on all of your small to medium-sized cleanups. Quickly switch over to the easy-to-use blower port to help with your cleanup needs. Now on sale for $59.99. Number 6. Vacmaster 4 peak HP 8 gallon wet-dry vacuum, cleaner lightweight powerful suction shop vacuum with blower function for dog hair, garage, car, home and workshop. Now on sale for $71.99. Number 7. Stanley 8 gallon wet/dry vacuum, stainless, features a powerful motor for industry-leading performance, providing maximum suction for heavy-duty pickup. The powerful blower port instantly converts the wet/dry vacuum into a power blower. Now on sale for $74.99. Number 8. Stanley wet/dry vacuum, 5 gallon, 4 horsepower, stainless steel tank, silver yellow black, SL18130. Now on sale for $86.99. Number 9. Craftsman KZB17607 16 gallon 6.5 peak HP wet/dry vac with detachable leaf blower, heavy-duty shop vacuum with attachments and gutter cleaning kit. Now on sale for $167.38. Number 10. Bissell Garage Pro wall-mounted wet-dry car vacuum/blower with auto toolkit, 18P03, stealth metallic gray. Now on sale for $180.99. The links to these deals are in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Happy deals hunting!